Bert and Kip, Episode 26, Upside Down Kip. Kip was standing on his head. Bird laughed.
You're very silly, Kip. And I'm standing on my head,
said Kip.
Soon I'll be very good at it. You're doing great,
said Bird.
You're very good at standing on your head. I think I'll do this all day long,
said Kip. Just then, a ladybug flew by. It flew all around. Then it landed on Kip's foot. It walked across his toes.
Hey!
Kip laughed.
That tickles!
Kip started to lose his balance.
Uh-oh!
He said.
I'm going to fall!
Boom!
Kip, are you okay?
Asked Bird.
I'm not hurt,
Said Kip.
but I'm not happy anymore. Why not?
Asked Bird.
Because I fell down.
Said Kip.
I didn't stand on my head all day long. So I'm not very good at it.